first product I'm going to show you today is called Infinitus. So Infinitus is based on the same platform as the Nebula. So it is a Android-based mainboard inside, but a much larger display. So with the Nebula Android devices, they top out at 21.5, but Glorystar and ourselves saw an opportunity for a larger version that could be used in applications such as digital signage or wayfinding. As I said, this is called Infinitus. This is the 32-inch version. It has a lovely PCAP touchscreen on here as well with AG cover glass. Super lightweight, super slim, and really well built. I can't emphasize enough about Glorystar, about the quality of the build, the quality of the components used, and the longevity of the product. They are the key selling points for the Glorystar range. So this particular product, as I said, is based on the Android platform. This one is running Android 12, and it has the super slim panel included. We have all the interfaces along this edge. So you've got your traditional LAN, USB, and also you have a GPIO port. So the GPIO, which again is included on the second generation Nebula, includes your UART, so RS-232, GPIO, and also your Vigand interface, which is used typically in door entry systems. So let me just put this back up here so we can have a good look at it. This particular one is just running in lockdown mode at the moment, so allow me just to show you quickly how the software works. So I'm just entering the passcode there to unlock the system. So all of the Glorystar products, the vast majority of them, include the Staros lockdown app. What that means, enables you to lock down the device into a certain mode. So for public distribution, users can't get out of that mode. So it's a nice, secure way of delivering an app or a video or content to your customer in an environment where you might not have control of. So this particular one, as I said, was just running a promotional video in media player mode. You can also have app mode as well. So if you have your own APK file, your own application, you can lock the device to boot straight into your app. So nice and simple and intuitive way to do it. You also can have multiple apps. So you can select an app on boot if you have multiple apps for your particular project. You also have maintenance mode. So maintenance mode enables you to go into the back end of the system and use star tools to actually do a debug of the system, check any logs, test all of the various components within the system. So very functional and useful piece of kit that, especially if you're having things like connectivity issues. Very useful thing to be able to do. You can also have full screen browser mode or browser mode. So if you just want it to link to a website, so if you have a corporate website or an intranet, for example, you can just link it straight to that. As I said, it's a lovely 32-inch display on this one. There's also a 43-inch available. It has this lovely AG touch, which just is wonderful to use. And as I said, it is a really nice addition to the range for those projects where you need something a little bit bigger. If you'd like more information on Infinitus, contact us on the links below.